Hindi sila ang problema. Bakit lagi na lang may gulo? Baka ikaw rin ganito. There's a couple I know who went through the same thing. Si Jopeth and si Pauline. They run a furniture and home decor business. Pauline handles the day-to-day, and every few weeks may mga bagong conflict. Yung kanilang delivery team always works in threes for every job. And more often than not, something gets misunderstood along the way. Si Pauline sobrang pagod na niya. She kept telling herself, baka lang talagang mali ang mga taong napili ko. Matampuhin talaga yung isa pasaway. She was certain that the problem was the people she hired. And during one of our coaching sessions, I asked Pauline and sabi ko, when something goes missing sa delivery, who holds responsibility? Yung driver ba or yung helper? And napatigil siya. Wala siyang clear answer. And right there, she realized something she had never fully seen before. She had never clearly told her team who was responsible for what. Walang malinaw na role. Walang malinaw na accountability. When things go wrong and no one knows who owns the responsibility, lahat nagtuturo sa isa't isa. Walang may gustong umamin na sila ang may kasalanan. You see, Pauline's workers are not problematic people. They are just confused workers operating in a confusing system. Kaya anak, eto yung lesson. Team conflict is rarely about who your people are. More often, it is about what they were never told clearly from the start. That's why clarity matters. Remember, always be business-minded, Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.